So this evening is our chance to pause for a moment, gather as one community, and look back on another meaningful and productive year. Tonight is not just a simple gathering. This is our way of honoring the dedication, the late nights, the early mornings, and countless efforts of you brings to your respective teams. So as we enter the night filled with music, laughter, recognition, and shared moments, may we remember why we are here, to celebrate each other. So to recognize the friendships we've built, the challenges we've overcome, and the small and big victories that brought us to where we are today. Enjoy the food, enjoy the company, and enjoy the spirit of the season. So sit back and let yourselves feel the warmth of community and togetherness. Will be grandiose to all of us, no? Especially to Macmillan Middle.